Hey everyone, today I am unboxing this 3 head backyard lamp post with outlet, and I am really excited to show you this because it's not just a light, it also has a built-in outdoor power outlet which is super practical. Inside the box everything is packed really well. You get the lamp post PCs, the 3 lamp head, all the mounting hardware and clear installation instruction. The finish is a modern matte black, and right away you can tell it's solid. This is made from aluminum, not plastic. And the glass has this beautiful ripple texture which gives it a classic but modern look. It's weather resistant and waterproof. So this is made to stay outside year around and in rain or in snow. Or one of my favorite feature is the built-in waterproof outlet right here on the post. This is amazing for outdoor use. You can plug in things like garden tools, string lights, holiday decor, or even a sprinkler system without running extension cord from inside the house. This lamp is hand wired, not solar, which means you get consistent reliable lighting all year. It has dusk to dawn photo shell sensor, so it is automatically turned on at night and shut off in the morning. And just a quick note, the bulb are not included, but replacing them is super easy. And the bottom opens up, no tools needed, and it really takes just about a minute. Overall, this is a great option if you want something that looks elegant, adds security, and gives you extra outdoor power. Perfect for yard, gate, or driveway. I love how functional and polished it looks. Yes, I highly recommend it.